Picture this. It's early 2026, and you're strolling into the airport feeling like a seasoned traveler. Your coffee's still warm, your passport is ready, and your boarding pass is glowing on your screen. Everything is smooth until your bag enters the X-ray machine. The TSA agent pauses, looks up at you, and says the 6 words every traveler dreads. "We need to check this bag." And that's when your stomach drops, because in 2026, the number of items TSA is confiscating has exploded, and most travelers have absolutely no idea the rules have changed. But because you're watching this, you're about to avoid some seriously painful surprises. Let's start with the one catching the most people off guard. Rule number 10, high-powered magnets. Let's kick it off with one of the strangest surprises sitting on TSA's 2026 restriction list. High-powered magnets. These things don't look dangerous at all. Therapy magnets, magnetic toys, those ultra-sticky fridge magnets you brought from a trip, even tiny DIY magnetic tools. But the new high-resolution scanners absolutely hate them. The machines can't read properly when a strong magnet is inside a bag, and instead of letting the scanner glitch for even a second, TSA would rather snatch the item right out of your carry-on.
I actually met someone at the airport a few months ago who learned this the hard way. He was carrying these tiny magnetic stress balls. You know, the kind people fidget with when they're bored. They didn't look harmful at all, but when his backpack went through the scanner, the TSA officer immediately pulled it aside. The man told me he had traveled with those magnets for years without any issue, but this time the officer explained that the new scanners were picking up distortion from the magnetic field. The magnets were basically scrambling the image. No warning, no discussion, they just took them away. So here's the deal for 2026. If your magnet can snap together with force, cling through fabric, or slide across your bag like it has a mind of its own, TSA isn't going to let it slide. They'll grab it before you even realize what's happening. Rule number 9, unlabeled liquid medication. TSA is becoming very strict about any liquid that looks like medicine but doesn't have a clear, official label on it. If you're carrying cough syrup, eye drops, nasal spray, liquid vitamins, or any kind of medical liquid, it must show exactly what it is. The label needs to be readable, printed, and attached properly. If a bottle looks plain, handwritten, or unmarked in any way, TSA will not accept it. Starting in 2026, officers aren't going to take chances or rely on explanations from travelers. They won't ask you what the liquid is or let you prove it with your words. Their rule is simple. If they can't identify it instantly by reading the label, they will remove it from your bag. This includes anything poured into a smaller bottle, any refillable container without proper labeling, or any medication where the sticker has faded or peeled off. Even liquids that seem harmless, like saline, herbal drops, or over-the-counter remedies, must still be properly labeled. TSA wants every medical liquid to be in its original packaging, or at least in a container with a printed sticker that clearly states the name and purpose. If it's unlabeled, unclear, or looks homemade, it won't make it past security. This new rule is all about safety, and officers are following it very strictly. Rule number 8, restricted beauty tools. Beauty fans are really going to feel this one because TSA is putting serious pressure on anything that even looks sharp. Tools like dermaplaners, metal nail files, pointed lash curlers, and those tiny blade-style eyebrow shapers are getting pulled out of bags faster than ever. In 2026, TSA's mindset is simple. If it has an edge, a point, or stiff metal tip, they're treating it like a potential risk. And trust me, people are already getting surprised. I met a traveler who told me she lost her favorite stainless steel brow razor at security, the one she used for years without a problem. She said the officer didn't even hesitate. One glance and it was gone. Even her slim metal nail file was questioned because it had a tapered point at the end. This is exactly how strict the system is now. TSA doesn't want to guess intent or debate what counts as safe. They're going by appearance alone. If a beauty tool is rigid, pointy, or could technically scratch, slice, or poke, it's not flying. Even tools that used to get a free pass are now being flagged. So in 2026, the smartest move is to switch to flexible, plastic, or travel-safe versions, or get ready to say goodbye to your favorite beauty gadget at the checkpoint.
Rule number 7. Smart luggage with old batteries. 2026 is the year TSA finally takes a hard line on aging smart luggage batteries, and travelers need to be ready. Any suitcase that relies on a built-in battery will go through stricter inspection than ever before. If the battery inside your smart bag looks swollen, cracked, dented, faded, or even slightly misshaped, TSA officers will treat it as unsafe. Old or damaged lithium-ion batteries can overheat, leak, or explode, and the new rules do not allow any risk inside the cabin or the cargo hold. TSA is also checking labels much more seriously. If your battery brand looks unknown, the watt-hour information is unclear, or the battery does not show proper safety markings, they may consider it unverified. Unverified batteries will be removed immediately. In some cases, the traveler will be allowed to take the bag after the battery is taken out, but in other situations, if TSA cannot reach the battery easily, the entire suitcase may be refused at the checkpoint. Another major requirement in 2026 is removability. TSA now expects smart luggage batteries to come out smoothly, without any special tools. If your suitcase requires tiny screwdrivers, internal zippers, or partial disassembly to reach the battery, it will not meet the new standard. Officers need to access the power unit quickly for safety checks, and any delay is considered a hazard.
To avoid losing your suitcase, travelers should inspect their smart luggage before arriving at the airport, replace old batteries, and make sure everything is labeled clearly and easy to remove. Rule number 6. Unsealed vitamins and supplements. For anyone who likes to stay healthy on the go, this one's a real headache. TSA in 2026 is taking a hard line on vitamins, powders, and supplements. Gone are the days when you could toss a few capsules in a small plastic case or carry protein powders in a simple zipper bag without a second thought. The new AI-powered scanners are trained to flag anything that isn't in its original sealed packaging. Even herbal blends or energy powders that you've carefully measured into containers can now raise alarms. TSA isn't just being picky, they're worried about anything that could look suspicious in the X-ray machine or get mistaken for something unsafe. If your supplements aren't properly packaged, they can be confiscated on the spot. That means no last-minute protein powder shake before your flight, no spilling capsules into your carry-on just because it's easier, and certainly no emergency herbal mix without a label. The safest approach is simple. Keep everything in its original container with the label clearly visible. If you've bought bulk powders, consider portioning them into sealed, TSA-approved bottles. Think of it like this. The rules aren't meant to ruin your routine. They're designed to make security faster and prevent mistakes.
By following these packaging guidelines, you're not just protecting your supplements, you're protecting yourself from delays, confiscations, or awkward confrontations at the gate. In 2026, staying organized and keeping your health products sealed isn't optional. It's mandatory if you want them to fly with you. Rule number 5. Travel sprays, even the small ones. Travelers who rely on small sprays for quick freshening up should take note because TSA plans to enforce stricter rules on pressurized containers in 2026. This includes mini fabric fresheners, pocket deodorants, shoe sprays, and even travel-sized starch bottles. Any spray can that looks scratched, dented, old, or has unclear labeling could be flagged and possibly confiscated once the new regulations go into effect. Security officers are expected to be stricter than ever, and upgraded scanners and AI systems will pick up irregularities that previously might have gone unnoticed. These rules aren't meant to inconvenience travelers, but to prevent accidents and keep flights safer. For example, one traveler shared that their old dented deodorant was nearly taken at a security trial run. They swapped it for a fresh, clearly labeled can and breezed through without issue. The lesson is simple. In 2026, even tiny travel sprays must be in pristine condition, clearly labeled, and free of any cosmetic damage. Taking the time to replace worn cans and label them properly will save frustration, prevent last-minute confiscations, and make passing through airport security much smoother. Preparing ahead ensures that a quick spritz before your flight won't turn into an unexpected problem or delay. By checking your sprays before packing, travelers can avoid surprises and travel with confidence, knowing they're following the new TSA rules exactly. Rule number 4. Oversized tech accessories. Travelers carrying large or unusual tech accessories should be prepared for extra scrutiny in 2026. TSA is increasingly flagging big, bulky, or modified-looking items, including oversized gaming controllers, chunky headphone cases, DIY charging setups, heavy adapters, and even multi-device charging hubs.
The new high-resolution scanners can pick up unusual shapes and dense materials, and anything that looks custom-built, altered, or tampered with is treated with extra caution. This means that a controller that is larger than standard, a headphone case packed with extra cables, or a DIY gadget that isn't in its original packaging can all draw attention. The concern isn't that TSA is targeting tech enthusiasts, but that cluttered or modified electronics can look suspicious on X-ray images. Even seemingly harmless adapters, battery packs, or splitters can appear dense or abnormal, prompting security officers to inspect them more closely. Travelers who try to carry multiple tech accessories together in one bag may also find themselves slowed down, as TSA prefers organized and clearly separated items for faster scanning. To avoid delays, travelers should pack tech items neatly, in their original cases when possible, and avoid makeshift setups that could look improvised. Removing heavy or unusual components and carrying them separately can help prevent alarms from going off. In 2026, the rule of thumb is simple. If your tech is bulky, oddly shaped, or modified, expect additional screening. Being mindful of how tech accessories are packed will reduce stress, prevent confiscation, and ensure a smoother experience at airport security. Rule number 3. Exotic snacks and suspicious foods. Food lovers and travelers carrying snacks should pay attention because in 2026, TSA scanners are going to be extra sensitive to anything dense, sticky, or unusual. Vacuum-sealed treats from other countries, jelly-like candies, powdered edibles, sticky sweets, and even specialty health snacks can all draw extra attention. The upgraded X-ray machines are designed to detect items that aren't instantly recognizable. And if the system flags your food, officers are likely to pull it aside for inspection. Once opened, there's a strong chance you won't get it back, especially if it's an imported item without proper packaging or labels. This isn't about punishing travelers, it's about safety and consistency. TSA officers will treat anything that looks odd, dense, or irregular as potentially suspicious. Even seemingly harmless items like thick nut butter packets or unusual gummy treats may be flagged. To avoid headaches, travelers should ensure that all exotic snacks are in original, sealed packaging, clearly labeled, and easy to identify. If possible, carry small quantities that fit neatly in your carry-on and avoid mixing multiple types in one bag. In 2026, planning ahead and being mindful of what counts as suspicious food will save time, prevent confiscation, and ensure a smoother experience at airport security for everyone. Rule number 2. Power banks with unverified cells. Portable chargers are essential for modern travel, but in 2026, TSA plans to be stricter than ever on power banks. Any device that doesn't clearly display the watt-hour rating or battery specifications will be treated as a red flag. Even if the power bank is completely safe, a missing, worn, or illegible label is enough for TSA to confiscate it on the spot. This includes older chargers, cheap knockoffs, or devices that have been used extensively and no longer show printed specifications. The concern isn't about travelers trying to break rules. TSA's priority is preventing batteries that could overheat or pose fire risks in the cabin. Travelers are advised to check their power banks carefully before flying. Make sure every charger is properly labeled, in good condition, and fully functional. If a battery is worn or damaged, it's better to replace it before heading to the airport. In 2026, officers will also scrutinize combined power bank setups, multi-device chargers, or DIY battery packs. Organizing your electronics and carrying only verified, labeled batteries will save time at security, prevent confiscation, and keep flights safer. Travelers who prepare in advance can avoid surprises and ensure that their devices travel safely. Rule number 1.
The almost liquids trap. The number one item travelers risk losing in 2026 is anything that behaves like a liquid, but isn't officially classified as one. TSA is expanding its definition to include anything that spreads, smears, melts, squeezes, oozes, or is soft enough to change shape. This covers a wide range of items: creamy snacks, sauces, gel hair products, lotions, balms, spreads, puddings, and even some dessert items. If an item moves or deforms easily in your bag, it's considered risky and may be confiscated. Travelers who pack these almost liquids without proper containment could face delays, extra inspections, or outright loss of their items. The rule is designed to prevent leaks, spills, or potential hazards in the cabin, and TSA officers will enforce it strictly. To avoid trouble, travelers should keep these items in sealed containers, clearly labeled, and placed in a quart-sized bag if possible. Solid alternatives, smaller single-serve portions, or prepackaged travel containers are recommended. In 2026, understanding what counts as a liquid or almost liquid and packing accordingly will save frustration, reduce confiscation risk, and make security lines faster for everyone. Being proactive about these items is the easiest way to keep your carry-on compliant and avoid losing your favorite products. Airport rules aren't playing next year, and most people won't know until it's too late. But now you're ahead of the game. So before you pack anything, remember these 10 items, because TSA won't hesitate to take them. If you want more street-to-the-point travel breakdowns, hit subscribe and stay ready for the next update.